tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have recorded for you guys my flawless foundation routine. You guys, I have been feeling the way that I have been doing my foundation lately, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm not going to take up too much time, you guys. You guys know the routine. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video. And you guys, don't talk about my janked up nails, okay? I'm gonna go get them fixed, okay? Just wait on it. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the face, and I'm gonna be using my Mario Rose Water to spray my face and hydrate it and just rejuvenate it. And get it ready for the makeup that we're going to be applying today. And y'all, do not talk about my nail. I know I need to get it fixed. Like, it's a struggle, okay? So I'm going to take the Maybelline primer, and I'm going to use that to prime my face. Just like I said before, getting it ready for the makeup that we're going to be applying today. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do here is just take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange, and I'm going to use that to conceal all of my dark spots and blemishes that I feel like I have on my face, and even sometimes my moles. And lately, you guys, my face has just been breaking out, so I find myself having to correct more than normal. Definitely looking for a skincare routine. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out just till where it's flat. Not so much of blending into the skin because we're concealing and we're going to put foundation over it. We just want to make a flat platform for the foundation to go on top so that the orange does not seep through. So now I'm going to go on to my foundation. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation. I had to think about it for a minute. I was like, which one is it? But the matte foundation, you guys, my color is 330, and I'm going to be using this foundation for today's look. Okay, and you guys, I know you often wonder why I tend to paint on my foundation before I put it on, and that's just so that I can ensure that I'm applying an even amount of foundation all around my face, and I'm not using too much foundation or wasting any. Okay, so to set my foundation, you guys, I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set my under eye area, my chin area, and my nose, and between my eyebrows. Okay, you guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is take my Maybelline foundation, and I'm going to use that to sweep away the banana powder that I use underneath my eyes. And this is just so that I don't have a heavy undertone underneath my eyes to where it looks unnatural. Okay, guys, so pretty much all I'm going to do is spray my face with a Mario Rose Water setting spray again. And this is just to lock the foundation in and ensure that my face is setting the makeup properly. So now I'm going in with the Watch Me Blush palette, you guys, and it is an eyeshadow palette from the Crayon Clays, but she has one shade in here that I use for my contour, and I just love it. So the next thing I'm doing is going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using Sun Kissed, Sun Dipped to mix together. Y'all, I think highlight has to be like my most favorite part of the video. Like, I don't know, like I just love to highlight. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it brings the whole look together. And pretty much, you guys, this is the end of the video. I thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. I love you guys, and remember to spread highlight and not hate. I will catch you dolls in another freaking video. I love you. Bye.